Very interesting and important physical terms and the relationship among them we are going to discuss. Density means mass upon volume, but here we are talking about basic aspect of crystal. That's a unit cell. In true sense, we want to find the relationship between density of crystal, density of solid. But density of solid is equal to density of unit cell in the crystal. Means if we take a bucket of water, density of water will be same. And if we take a drop of water, then also density will be same. So for the sake of our understanding and for easy calculation, we will consider unit cell as a representative of crystal lattice in the crystal. If I have to find mass of the unit cell, because in unit cell number of atoms are there, to find mass of the unit cell, I need to find mass of one atom. How to find mass of one atom? Its atomic weight or atomic mass divided by Avogadro's number. That atomic mass in terms of gram per mole, and Avogadro's number unit has per mole. What is the value of Avogadro's number? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 per mole. If I could get a mass of one atom, can I find mass of n number of atoms? Yes, just multiplication. Why small n I am considering? Because small n number of atoms do exist in one unit cell. Then what will be the mass of unit cell? Mass of unit cell is equal to n into mass of one atom, means n into m divided by n. What will be the unit? In terms of gram. Now volume of unit cell. Whatever the structures we discussed this year, all are cubic. So what is the volume of cubic unit cell, or what is the volume of cube? Side raised to 3. What is the side of the cube? What is the side of the unit cell? What is the parameter of unit cell? That is A, small a. So volume of cube, volume of unit cell, capital V is equal to A raised to 3. Here cell parameter also to be represented in terms of centimeter. Suppose if values are given in terms of picometer, then 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. If it is in nanometer, then 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter. If unit cell parameter has unit centimeter, then what will be the unit for volume of unit cell? Centimeter cube. Now, density of unit cell rho, which has unit gram per cubic centimeter, is equal to mass expressed in gram divided by volume found in cubic centimeter. From that, I can find mass of unit cell, means numerator from right side, is equal to density term at left side into volume, the term which was at denominator to the right side. What is the representation for density? Rho, which is in gram per cubic centimeter. And what is the representation for volume? It can be capital V, or directly I am substituting the final answer, A raised to 3. And what is the unit? Cm cube. So remember this now. It is a one of the representation for mass of the unit cell, rho into A cube. Previously also we have found this representation, mass of the unit cell. What was that representation? Mass of the unit cell is equal to small n into capital M divided by capital N. Since I have two equations which can express mass of the unit cell, let me equalize the other sides of both equations. From first equation, mass of the unit cell is equal to n into m divided by n. And from this previous equation, mass of the unit cell is equal to rho into A cube. If I rearrange the term, I can find A cube is equal to n into m divided by rho into n, then what will the value of A? It will be the cube root of that. So A is equal to nm divided by rho n. It is in square bracket raised to 1 by 3. What do you think? What can be the unit for A? N, small n has no unit. Capital M has unit gram per mole. Rho has unit gram per cm cube. N, capital N has unit per mole. So what will the unit for A? It is centimeter. But if we are to convert it into the picometer, then what will you do? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to 10 picometer. We could till now found the value of A, that is a unit cell parameter. But what is the relationship between A and R? R is the radius of the atom. For different structures, for different crystal types, crystal lattices, cubic crystal lattices, different formulae are there. Total 3 cubic lattices are in your syllabus. Let us talk about them. For simple cubic, means primitive cell, A is equal to 2R. Atoms at corner of a cube were touching to each other. Means cell parameter, unit cell parameter is equal to double the radius. Second crystal lattice type is BCC. In BCC, A is equal to 4R upon root 3. Why? Because in BCC, atoms along body diagonal do touch each other, and body diagonal of a cube is equal to root 3 into its side, means root 3a. And how many radii are there in that body diagonal? One radii of atom at one corner, double radii of atom at center, means its diameter, and one radii of atom at other end of the diagonal, body diagonal, cube diagonal. Total 4 radii are there. Therefore we got A is equal to 4R upon root 3. Similarly, for FCC crystal lattice, atoms along face diagonal do touch each other, and we have derived also A means cell parameter is equal to 4R upon root 2. How will you remember? For simple cubic, it is very simple, just touching the two spheres, so is equal to 2R. For body centered cubic, when body diagonal, then root 3. When face diagonal, then root 2 term, just remember. So for BCC, body diagonal is a concept, therefore 4R upon root 3. For FCC, face diagonal is a concept, therefore 4R upon root 2. What is the unit of A? Centimeter. What is the unit of R? Is centimeter. If SI unit we have to consider, then both will be in meter. If we have to express the density in SI unit, then unit is kilogram per meter cube. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. And per meter, suppose if the values of our cell constants are given in terms of picometer, then how will you convert them into meter? 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 meter. And if in nanometer, then 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter. So with these conversions and substituting the values in proper formula, you can solve numericals based on this. So derivation for relationship among all. What we did, we found first the relationship between density and unit cell constant. And later on, we expressed a relation between unit cell parameter and radius. So combining both, we can get the values of the thing which is asked in the examination, which will be asked in the numerical. So many numericals are possible on this point. If concept is clear and if conversion of units, if you follow properly, then you can attempt the numericals very effectively. Just I am asking what is the density of crystal lattice. Can you give the formula for crystal lattice? Because we have discussed for unit cell. So question here is how can you find density of crystal lattice, or just give the formula for that. Or put any comment. You are free to answer in your own words.
With this little understanding about the crystal structures, let us study defects possible in the structure in next lecture.